In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign IAM Docusign tutorial for beginners, 5 minutes. We'll start by sending a document for signature, then walk through the signer's experience, and finish with a quick tour of Docusign IAM's intelligent agreement tools. First, log into your Docusign account to access the home dashboard. Select Start, then choose Send an Envelope. This opens the upload screen where you can add files from your computer or connect to cloud storage. Use finalized PDFs or well-formatted documents so fields align cleanly. As you upload, add a clear subject and message to give recipients context. They'll see this in the email notification. Next, add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses. If more than one person is involved, add multiple recipients here. For each person, choose the right action. Needs to sign for anyone required to complete fields, or receives a copy for stakeholders who just need a record. These roles control who must act and who is simply informed, keeping your process organized. Click Next to prepare the document. You'll see a panel of fields you can drag and drop, including signature, date, and text fields. Place each field exactly where it belongs and assign it to the correct recipient. Use the required option for anything that must be completed and double-check alignment so the signer experience is smooth. A careful pass here prevents delays later. When everything looks correct, click Send to deliver the envelope. DocuSign automatically emails your recipients and tracks status for you. You can monitor progress and get notified as each person completes their part. Now let's look at how to sign. When a DocuSign email arrives, open it and click Review Document. You'll be asked to agree to use electronic records and signatures. Check the box and click Continue. To begin, select the yellow Start tag, then click the signature field. DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature style. Confirm to apply it instantly. Complete any remaining fields as prompted, and when you're done, click Finish at the top or bottom of the page. You'll receive a confirmation, and a copy will be saved for your records. Beyond e-signature, Docusign IAM helps you manage the entire agreement lifecycle. Navigator makes it easy to act on and search across signed documents so you can quickly find terms, parties, or dates. Maestro lets you automate multi-step workflows and coordinate tasks across teams. And AI-driven data extraction surfaces key terms, potential risks, and insights so you can analyze agreements at scale and make faster, smarter decisions.